TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketing. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketing is and how you can do it for yourself. So basically, TikTok, as we know, is one of the most top leading social media platforms out there. And if you want to go ahead and use TikTok Shop for yourself, you can. But how do you become an affiliate marketer? Okay, so basically, what you're going to do is you're going to keep a minimum commission rate, okay? So there's 0% commission rates, which are basically not allowed on the platform. You're going to keep a minimum requirement of the stock levels that you must hold in order, because there is no minimum inventory level required. You do need samples to participate in the affiliate program, and the differences are that the plans depend on creator coverage, product coverage, and commission settings. Now, you have two plans, which is the shop plan and open plan. The shop plan sets a universal commission rate for all products. Open plan lets you choose which products you want to upload to affiliate and set custom commission rates. You can only enable free samples on open plan. Okay, so you can also apply for samples. Okay, if you decide that you can apply samples, you can set rules and criteria for people that must meet in order to be eligible for your samples. You can track who has posted content with your samples, how creators link products to their content with your samples, and you can also choose to promote your products by other creators, okay? So basically, all you're going to want to do is you're going to sign up with the TikTok shop, okay? You're going to make sure to choose the proper location, and once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to apply for their affiliate program through the affiliate guide. Okay, you're going to go into, let's say I'm going to go with the United States, and it's going to start giving me the affiliate guide, and according to your country, you're going to go ahead and follow their steps. Mainly, you're going to go ahead and promote your products on your TikTok through videos by making reels or shorts, and that is how you're going to be doing TikTok shop affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.